Hi, this is Dahlia with Dahlia's Dishes and Destinations, and I'm here in Lakeland, Florida today, and I'm gonna make black beans from the dry form. We're not gonna use canned beans. We're going to make sure we teach you how to make them homemade, easy, in an Instant Pot, so that you can make homemade black beans for your family. Remember, we're trying to teach you an easy way. Right now, I've added my water. I put in my cut up and peeled onions, peppers, green peppers inside my water. I put about 2/3 of the pot of water. It really doesn't matter if you have too much water in your pot. It's just making sure you have enough, because enough will give you lots of broth. You can throw your broth away, or your black gold, what we call it. If you don't have enough, that'll dry up your bean. At this time, I'm going to go ahead and put my pot to cook on manual. I'm gonna set it 20 minutes. Make sure it's locked. Just a hit manual, and then with the plus sign, you can go up to 20 minutes, and it will start cooking on its own. While it's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and make my sofrito. That is what we call our base. That's our green peppers and onions and garlic that are all mixed, and my dry ingredients. We're gonna saute that with olive oil. I'm gonna put all these veggies and the olive oil and all my dry ingredients inside the pot. All we're gonna do is just give it a good stir, add our bay leaves, set our timer back again to pressure cooker mode on manual, and then just add 10 minutes of the pressure. Your beans are ready to serve. You can serve them as a soup, serve them over rice. You can put them in another pot and let them thicken even more if that's something you want to do. But they are ready. You got plenty of broth to put over your white rice. They're very flavorful, smell delicious. They're ready for your Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, or any day of the week. And remember always, it's all about the food.
Goes on for quite a while. See, way down there, I mean, they selling mugs.
Nice, the restaurants are open as well.
Restaurants, yeah, you can see the restaurant. You can sit right outside here, actually, in the restaurant, while you're looking at all this area here. Then you got the park that's all decorated for Christmas right across the street. It's probably pretty nice.
Yeah, it's the playground. It's cute.
The park probably looks pretty good at night with all the trees and everything.
Oh, kombucha. Destiny, her daughter, would love that.
Yeah, she would, wouldn't she? Well, there is. At least there's some food right there. Look at that, Jamaican patties, which we call empanadas. It's a little bit different than the Jamaican ones. I don't know if Dahlia wants to try one of the Jamaican ones.
Nah, not too spicy for me.
Oh, they're spicy?
Yeah.
What about right here? What is this lady cooking up here? Chicken. I'll tell you what she's cooking up here. Tacos? No, looks like some kind of plates with noodles, chicken noodles, eggs, oh, fried rice. I don't know if you want to get any of this. Do you want to get any of this?
Yeah, fried rice looks nice.
Looks like one of those big ones would be enough for both of us. What do you think? Since we're gonna eat later again, I'm sure. What are you gonna say?
Yeah. I'm gonna figure out what did I do it? Okay.
Oh, please. Yes. Ah, the smell. Ooh, that smell. Smell. Boom.